So I wanted to address the questions that you have in my final presentation. And your first question is, how will students navigate your course? So what I've attended is when students log into the course, they will click on the Syllabus tab, and then they will click on the Module tab. And the Syllabus tab will be the first part where they'll look at. And also, I start with the Module tab with the introduction, the getting started, where I also put a link to the syllabus. And then every week, we're going to have a module. And the module is going to be an overview, the lecture materials, and the required work with a summary. I think that's a good progression to do every week with the course. So you asked, how will you present the content that you want students to learn? So in my overview, if I click on the overview, you'll notice I have the overview here, I have the learning objectives here, and I have the course objective alignment here. Now, how do you want students to practice this course? So in my lecture materials, I have a lot of different resources for them to utilize and practice this information. Lecture videos, and I also have resources right there for them. I also put in, now you also asked in your questions about practice questions. I put practice questions right here for the module. This will help with them to learn the material and practice it before they get to the discussion and the assignment. Now, how do you want students to interact with each other and the content? So I have a discussion board, and the discussion board will be doing weekly where they're going to interact and give peer responses, and they'll give responses to my questions as well. So we're going to have 4 different responses per week, which is a great opportunity for them to learn. Now, how will you assess students to ensure they learn the material? And you also asked in your questions about having a module quiz, which I put right here. So these are the final things that I've included in the course to prepare